Hey Eshwar, welcome to the 3S Life Safe Academy. Can you give your introduction?
My name is Eshwar Venkat Bangaru. I'm originally from Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari district, and I have completed my BTech Engineering and Petroleum Engineering course from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. In this May, I have graduated, and like from before only, I used to have a passion to create a safer environment and work and help organizations to meet the safety standards. So that led me to come to this field of safety and health and safety, ma'am.
Very
And I'm
good.
so into, I have completed my drilling, reservoir and production analytics engineering, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So you are a very well qualified.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how did you know about this NEBOSH course?
Actually, as we know from, as I told you, from my third year engineering onwards, I used to have a thing to go to the field of safety engineering and safety officer as a safety officer to go into the fields and industries to maintain the safety standards. So as per that, I have researched and I came to know that NEBOSH course it is typically one of the globalized recognized qualification in health and safety, right? So it provides some technical knowledge, confidence, and analytical ability to identify the risks and hazards, ma'am. So I thought this NEBOSH is the only way that I can achieve, and it will be helpful for my future also.
So, you want to make your futures in the HSE field because of your educational qualification in the oil and gas, and definitely safety is one of the important part. That's why
Yes,
you want to choose this NEBOSH course, and you have researched on that.
yes,
So, why the 3S Life Safe Academy? Because you are from Andhra, we are
yes.
from the Bangalore. So, how did you know about the 3S?
Yeah, actually, I have researched a lot, like which course, like which institute I have to go through, and which one will provide me a safe learning and with high professionals and qualified mark results. And also, as I have researched a lot, almost 2.5 months I have researched. Then I came to know like a 3S Life Academy is the excellent reputation and also it's having the highest pass rate in NEBOSH exam. And also, I have researched particularly about the trainers, which are who are experienced, they're approachable, and even they focus on each and every student particularly, and they clear all the doubts, and it will be very clear for us to learn and clear this NEBOSH IGC. So yes, ma'am, and even the mock tests they have conducted, and the personal guidance, and the continuous support from the institute as well as the professionals. So after seeing the review of all this and even the Google reviews and all, I got a trust like this 3S Academy will help me a lot. So only I have choose this 3S Life Academy, man.
So, NEBOSH is a open book examinations you have given. And earlier we were used to give the examination of closed book.
Yes, ma'am.
So, as a engineer, how we will differentiate between both the examinations and what is the concept of the open book examinations according to you?
According to me, to be honest, closed book exams means it's just testing our memory and recall. That's called a closed book exam. But coming to this open book exam, in this we can use our study material, our notes, and even the answers based on our questions. So this will help us to understand, reason, and it will give the ability to apply the concepts which we have learned in the overall the course, and we can apply them in the real life situations if we are professionals in the situation. Like it focuses on how well we think like a safety professional when we face the real time practical challenges. So this closed book, open book exam is a very nice initiative so that we'll be able to see the scenario like how we'll see and how we'll deal with the incidents which will happen in real life.
You have just completed your engineering. As a freshers, you have joined the NEBOSH course. And generally, NEBOSH course is joined by the professionals, people who are already in the safety, having 3, 4, 5 years of experience. And people are thinking that this course is very difficult to pass as a market rumors. So, how did you feel? What is your opinion about these things? Because you
In
have
fact,
cleared in the first attempt with a very good number. That is a special congratulations to you. As being a fresher, you have joined the NEBOSH course and ultimately you have cleared both the paper in the first attempt.
yes.
So, just I want to know your opinion towards this.
In fact, as soon when I was about to join this course, even one of my faculty, like our college faculty, and even one of my friend also said like, no, you cannot make this. It's very hard. Only professionals who are working in the fields, they'll only doing. You cannot do in the first attempt. Money will be wasted like that they said. But the trust which I kept in NEBOSH and 3 years academy professionals, and even I talked with them, the trust and the lessons they taught us and the guidance, the support we got, it made us to crack the exam so easier, man. Like in fact, I used to have a small doubt, like what if I fail? What if I don't, qualify this? What will be happen? But when I got the doubt, each and every day, even mentor is Vijay Vaisak sir, he made us everything is easy when you learn and when you learn with your heart. So this 3 years academy, more overall like a institute, it taught the lessons like a family, and the friendliness it led us to crack these so easily, man. We cracked the exam so easily.
Definitely, if we are providing the good faculty, expert faculty, and they have a very rich experience, knowledge, definitely it will be very easy for the candidates. And the practice round is a compulsory to do. How much you will practice, definitely it will open the door of the success. Yeah. So,
Yeah,
what you have learned through the NEBOSH course?
yeah. Actually, from after all this course and after qualifying and all, I came to know that NIBOSH is that it's not just a safety or it's a responsibility. It's a mindset. It
Yes,
should be like a mindset for us.
mindset.
Like I learned how to identify hazards and systematically and evaluate the risks and apply and control and measure them effectively.
Very
Like
good.
we came to know the safe environment, the safer the lives,
Yes, yes.
safer the work.
Definitely, definitely. So, suppose someone wants to do this NEBOSH course, your peer groups, any of the persons. So, why you will suggest that they should join the 3 years Life Safe Academy?
As I earlier I told you, the 3 years life academy is not like other academy or other institutes like we'll do this, we'll do that. And it's not, some of the institutes they'll say they'll show the farm and they'll say this is the universe. But 3 years life academy is not like that. It's just like the friendly environment and the professionals you provide us, they are very helpful. And in fact, more than learning, it's like a mindset. NIBOS safety course means it's a mindset for us. Like I prefer this 3 years academy for their professionals and the pass rate and the friendliness they give and the positivity they provide for the learners to crack and the confidence you give us. There's more than enough for us to choose 3 years life academy, man. To be honest.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And definitely, your feedback will help so other learners also take positively this course and do this course for upgrading their career in the HSC field. And I wish also for you you will get a very suitable jobs regarding in HSC field and whatever you dream about this course. Okay, I should be at these positions in the future. Definitely, you will do, and you will be there. Okay, so thank you so much. Ishwar. And once again, congratulations.
It's a,
Good day.
thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Take care.